There's a ton of ant hacks online, but do they work? We teamed up with pest control professionals to test the most popular DIY methods to see what really happens. Here's our setup: a clean kitchen counter, a food source, and ants doing what ants do, marching in. Every ant you see is a worker. Her job is to find food and bring it back to the colony. And where you see one ant or a few, there could be hundreds, even thousands more you don't see. Let's DIY it. First up, bay leaves. According to some sources, ants hate the herb's fragrance. So we placed them right in the ant's path and let the camera roll. Yeah, the ants didn't even slow down. They walked right around the bay leaves and continued with their day. Turns out, just because something smells strong to us doesn't mean it works for pest control. Next, let's try black pepper and cayenne. Some say the smell is irritating to ants and will keep them away. We sprinkled the line of pepper right by the crowd of ants to see if that's true. Looks like the same story as before. That's because ants navigate using chemical scent trails. So when one path is blocked, they simply find another one. Look, we get why DIY methods are appealing, but it's clear that natural remedies are no match for an active ant infestation. The real problem is so much more than what's on your counter or kitchen floor. It might be hidden in your walls. And the colony? Still thriving and sending workers in search of food. Don't waste time and money on methods that don't work, because pest problems need more than a quick fix. Learn more and find a licensed pest control professional near you at don'ttrythisathome.pestworld.org.